Hello friends. Welcome back. Today we will learn an important chapter from Indian history, the non-cooperation movement and the civil disobedience movement. This is the story of how Indians stood up for freedom, using truth and non-violence. This lesson is for Class 10 exam preparation. We explain non-cooperation and civil disobedience key ideas, dates, events, and keywords to help you score better. Let's begin. Why people wanted freedom. First, imagine this. A guest comes to your house, takes control, makes rules, and uses your money. This is how British rule felt to many Indians. After World War I, life became very hard. Prices went up. Taxes were heavy. Crops failed. Many people died from disease and hunger. People were unhappy and wanted Swaraj, which means self-rule. They wanted to decide their own future. Gandhi and Satyagraha. At this time, Mahatma Gandhi returned to India. He brought a powerful idea called Satyagraha. Satyagraha means truth plus non-violence. It says, if your cause is true, you do not need to use violence. You resist injustice with peace, courage, and self-control. You try to change the oppressor's heart, not harm them. Gandhi tested this idea in small struggles. 1. In Champaran, he helped farmers forced to grow indigo instead of food. 2. In Khera, he helped peasants get tax relief after crop failure. 3. In Ahmedabad, he helped mill workers get better wages. These wins showed that non-violence could work. Rowlatt Act and Jallianwala Bagh. Then the British passed the Rowlatt Act. It allowed jail without trial. People protested. In Amritsar, at Jallianwala Bagh, a peaceful crowd was fired upon. Many died. The country was shocked. This pain united people and pushed India toward a bigger movement. Non-cooperation movement 1920–1922. Gandhi and the Congress now asked Indians to stop helping the British system. This was called the non-cooperation movement. The idea was simple. British rule works only if Indians cooperate. So stop cooperating. People did many things. 1. Students and teachers left government schools and colleges. 2. Lawyers stopped going to British courts. 3. People boycotted elections. 4. Families stopped buying foreign cloth and used Swadeshi. 5. Khadi became a symbol of self-respect and freedom. The movement spread to many towns and villages. It was huge. But in 1922, at Chauri Chaura, one protest became violent. A police station was burnt. Gandhi felt very sad. He believed freedom must be won without violence. So he stopped the movement. Some leaders were upset. But for Gandhi, the method mattered as much as the goal. Swaraj means self-rule. Different people imagine Swaraj in different ways. 1. Peasants wanted relief from high rents and harsh landlords. 2. Tribal people wanted their forest rights back. 3. Plantation workers wanted freedom to travel back home. 4. All wanted dignity, justice, and a better life. Civil disobedience. In the late 1920s, the Simon Commission came to India with no Indian members. People boycotted it. A constitution draft called the Nehru Report was written. In 1929, at Lahore, the Congress said, our goal is complete independence or Purna Swaraj. People took the independence pledge on 26 January 1930. Civil disobedience and the Salt March 1932–1934. Now came the civil disobedience movement. This was different from non-cooperation. Here, people peacefully broke unfair laws. Gandhi chose the salt law. Why salt? Because salt is used by everyone, rich and poor. Tax on salt was unjust. Gandhi walked 240 miles from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi. Thousands joined him along the way. At Dandi, he picked up a handful of salt and broke the law. This simple act shook the empire. Across India, 1. People made salt. 2. They boycotted foreign cloth and liquor. 3. Many refused certain taxes. 4. Forest laws were challenged in some places. 5. Women came out in large numbers, protested bravely, and went to jail. The British arrested many leaders, including Gandhi. There was a pact, the Gandhi-Irwin Pact, in 1931. The movement paused, then resumed when talks failed. It continued till 1934. Who joined, and why? Many groups joined for their own reasons. 1. Rich peasants wanted lower land revenue. 2. Poor peasants wanted relief from rent to landlords. 3. Businessmen wanted freedom to trade and less control from the British. 4. Women participated in large numbers, showing great courage. Revolutionaries like Bhagat Singh also fought in their own way. They wanted a just and equal society. Their courage inspired many. Who stayed away, and why? Some groups did not join fully. 1. Many Dalits, led by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, focused on ending untouchability and getting political rights. The Pune Pact later gave reserved seats for Dalits in councils. 2. Some Muslim organizations feared domination and did not participate widely in some areas. Gandhi tried to unite everyone through non-violence, but the fears and differences were real. What did these movements achieve? These movements did not bring freedom immediately, but they changed India forever. 1. They united millions of common people in one national struggle. 2. They showed the British that they could not rule without Indian consent. 3. They gave Indians courage and self-belief. People saw that truth, discipline, and non-violence are powerful. Remember these keywords. 1. Satyagraha, truth plus non-violence. 2. Non-cooperation, stop helping the British system. 3. Civil disobedience, peacefully break unfair laws. 4. Dandi March, 240-mile walk to make salt. 5. Chauri Chaura, violence happened. Gandhi stopped the movement. 6. Purna Swaraj, complete independence. Thank you for listening. If this helped you understand the chapter, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more simple lessons. See you in the next video.